ప్రభుత్వ ఉద్యోగమే మీ లక్ష్యమా? గ్రూప్స్, ఎస్ఐ, కానిస్టేబుల్, గురుకుల్, లైబ్రేరియన్, డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్, జేఎల్ఎం, ఏపీపీఎస్సి, టీఎస్పీఎస్సి, ఆర్ఆర్బీ, ఎన్టీపీసీలలో ఖచ్చితంగా ఉద్యోగం సాధించాలని అనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే ఒక్కసారి విచ్చేయండి. ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ స్థాపించిన మొదటి సంవత్సరంలోనే అద్భుతమైన ఫలితాలతో ఉద్యోగాలను అందించిన ఏకైక సంస్థ ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ. ప్రతి విద్యార్థిపై ప్రత్యేక శ్రద్ధ వహిస్తూ ఉద్యోగ లక్ష్యమే ధ్యేయంగా ఎంచుకొని అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే అతి సులభమైన రీతిలో వివరాత్మకమైన విశ్లేషణతో డైలీ, వీక్లీ గ్రాండ్ టెస్టులు నిర్వహిస్తూ విజయాలను అందిస్తున్న సంస్థ ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ. ఎస్ఐ, కానిస్టేబుల్ అభ్యర్థుల కోసం ఫిజికల్ తో పాటు ప్రత్యేక శిక్షణా తరగతులు, ఆన్లైన్ మరియు ఆఫ్లైన్ తరగతుల సదుపాయం కలదు. ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ యాప్ గూగుల్ ప్లే స్టోర్ యందు కలదు. ఆఫ్లైన్ కోర్సు తీసుకున్న వారికి ఆన్లైన్ కోర్సు ఉచితంగా లభించును. ఇప్పుడే రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వడం కోసం సంప్రదించండి 6309398306. డైరెక్టర్ ప్రశాంత్ వర్మ, ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ. మా బ్రాంచులు హైదరాబాద్, హన్మకొండలో కలవు.
My dear viewers, this is Dr. Ramchandramurthy. I am going to present, please listen carefully. These questions will come in the examination point of view. Okay, now coming to question number 1. So this is a topic related to library automation. Now, full form of SIR net, full form of SIR net. Now coming to that, normally S for here scientific and industrial, scientific and industrial research, or for here research network. Okay, so here scientific, industrial, research network, we can write network. This is a very important question. Full form of SIR net. Okay, scientific and industrial research network. Now question number 2, ERNET, 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 education research network. Okay, education research network. The headquarter, HQ stands for headquarter, is located at, so in which place it was located. ERNET is the one net type of network under the automation. SIR net, like that, ERNET, education and research network. Okay, now it was located at New Delhi. It is the capital city of India, New Delhi. The ERNET was established in the place New Delhi. We will discuss later what is ERNET, what is the SIR net, like that. Now question number 3. So normally, so you may see the matching. So OCLC and JONET, ERNET, and international development research center. Okay, research center. Now here the difference, here UK, United Kingdom, and Canada, and USA, and India. So like this match will give in the examination point of view. Very important question. OCLC, JONET, ERNET, International Development Research Center. Now IDR. Okay, IDR, that is nothing but a IDR, International Development Research Center. So all are belonging to networks. networks. Okay, now OCLC is related to the USA. OCLC, Online Computer Library Catalog. Okay, OCLC is related to USA. Okay, JONET. Okay, Joint Academic Network. JONET is related to UK. Already you know ERNET, Education Research and Network is related to India. Okay, OCLC USA, JONET UK, ERNET India, International Development Research Center. The remaining what here? Canada. Okay, so this is the third question. We have the four elements, four important questions. JONET అనగానే మనము UK, ERNET అనగానే ఇండియా, OCLC అనగానే USA, United States of America. Then next, International Development Research Center, IDR. IDR, it is in special form, Canada. Okay, coming to the fourth question, question number 4. Now, InflibNet HQ headquarters is located at. So, InflibNet హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఎక్కడ లాంచ్ అయింది, ఎక్కడ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్ అయింది అనేది మనకి క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తారు. ఆన్సరు అహ్మదాబాద్. అహ్మదాబాద్ ఈజ్ InflibNet హెడ్ క్వార్టర్. InflibNet హెడ్ క్వార్టర్ located at Ahmedabad. So the fourth question is for the question number 5th. He is here. Question number 5th is here like that. The matching Delnet, MyLibnet, InflibNet, ERNET. So these are the one side points. And 1995, 1988 and 1991 and 1986, these are the years. So in each and every year has a specialization to establish these four networks. Okay, now Delnet, Developing Library Network. Okay, MyLibnet, Mysore Library Network, InflibNet, Information Library Network, ERNET, Education Research Network, Education and Research Network. So Developing Library Network and Delhi Library Network also. So why that established and renamed like that, we will discuss later. Delnet is established in the year 1998. Delnet is established in the year 1988. Now MyLibnet is established in 1995. You remember 1995. Then InflibNet 1991 and ERNET 1986. First you see Delnet in 1988, MyLibnet 1995, InflibNet 1991 and ERNET 1986. Okay, the question number next one is 6th. Question number 6. So here you see who produced and maintained INS. Who produced and maintained International Nuclear Information System. Okay, INS. Okay, now the answer is IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. International Atomic Energy Agency. Okay, so INS, the maintained the IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. The next question number 7th. Who developed National Catalogue of Scientific Serial? Now catalog means here National Union Catalogue of Scientific Serial of India. So we can write as a abbreviated form NUCSSI. Okay, who developed National Union Catalogue of Scientific Serial of India? NUCSSI. Please remember NUCSSI. This is nothing but a U for here, Union Catalogue Scientific Serial of India. So normally here this is the INSDAC, Science Documentation Center. INSDAC. This answer is Science, Indian National Science Documentation Center is developed the NUCSSI, the catalog. Okay, over of the 7 questions. Then 8th one. Coming to the 8th one, it is also related to matching NICNet. We will discuss this concept. INDONET, NICNet, INDONET, INET, DELNET. Okay, the years are given orderly: 1986, 1988, 1977, 1991, like this. So here we have to match. If you know the years of establishment of each and every network, we can identify easily. We may expect this type of question in the examination point of view. Now, the NICNet was established in the year 1977. NICNet. So we will discuss deeply what about the NICNet. 1977. Then INDONET, 1986. Okay, 1986. Then INET is established in the 1991. The remaining DELNET is here 1988. So similarly, a very important question. If you remember these years and establishment of the networks, very important. You use the some key points. NICNet 1977, INDONET 1986, and INET 1991, DELNET 1988. Just we discussed about DELNET 1988 in the previous question. Okay, the next question number 9. Question number we are discussing about the 10 questions in each the explanation. The next here, INIS, International Nuclear Information System. Okay, headquarter. Okay, INIS headquarter located at INIS headquarters located at, the answer is Vienna. Answer is Vienna. It is a place. Okay, it is a place, Vienna. INIS headquarters, INIS, INIS headquarters located at the particular place is Vienna. 10th one. Question number 10th. Now, DELNET is a dash. So DELNET is a one metropolitan. The answer is here the metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network. Okay, it is a metropolitan area network. So these are the 10 questions, very important to you. So please you and remember and attempt in the examination point of view perfectly. So this is the information about automation, library automation is 10 most important questions. Okay.